we don't get this opportunity because it's transportation. They're doing their job. It's just like a bus driver. You know, so.
Well, that's a lot of different modes of transportation.
Yes. So I mean, we have 4 parks in Disney Springs, which is downtown Disney. But our Disney Springs area is, I don't know, 10 times bigger than yours. Well, just the shopping and the.
As you spend a day there, you're probably an average walk about 4 miles a day.
Yeah. So I average in between 6 and 10 every day. So.
My knees hurt.
We can park hop. We don't have a time on like when we can park hop. We can park hop. You can literally tap into a park and then leave and go to another park if you want. Whereas I know y'all this is still 11 a.m.
Yeah, we have to wait.
But we also have to take transportation to our next park.
Oh, you're kidding.
You can't.
Yeah.
Like I can't walk out of Magic Kingdom and go to a park across. We have to go either on a bus, a boat, or the monorail to get to the next park.
That's a big.
So.
Yeah, that's a distance. Why don't you check on the ticket prices or similar to your?
We're a little higher.
Really?
Yeah.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on Earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. To the right is our transportation plaza, where you'll find taxis, hotel shuttles, and public transit stops. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin. This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia. To the right of the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small world. And now we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other storybook characters.
Alright, folks, please remain seated until we're fully stopped and parked at the Maryland station and the doors open. In front of you, front three cabins will be exit to your right, cabins to your left, cabins to your left. This is our one and only stop. We have to exit here at Maryland station. Once again, please remain seated until we are fully stopped and parked. And gather your belongings over your head, watch your step, and exit away from the middle of the monorail. We hope you enjoyed your flight on the highway in the sky, and happy holidays here in the Disneyland Resort.
We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us.
Nobody.
And we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail Station.
Monorail Central for red, be advised I have a new stop at the Maryland station. Forward vehicle motion in opposite direction from the car. Alright folks, go ahead and stay seated just for 1 second. We'll have you out in just a minute.
He's waiting for us to be honest.
Yeah, I figured that.
They're ready to dash out.
My copies probably not gonna go.
They will. No,
Red's burned out, now your normal systems are green. Alright, you guys are good to go. Watch your head, watch your step. Have a good day. That copy's clear too. You're good, buddy. Have a good birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.